Today we got a video from behind the mugshot, and the title of the video is Entitled Woman Meets No Nonsense Cop After Speeding at 122 miles per hour.
That has nothing to do with this.
You just asked me if I
We're
had
on
any
the
questions.
side.
This girl here was going 122 miles per hour in a 70 miles per hour zone. And when the cop asked for the reason, she said it because of a fender bender that happened 2 weeks ago. But unfortunate for her, she met a no-nonsense cop.
I'm not going to sit here with 3 officers and yourself on the side of the road while you dance circles around me. Driver, you're on the middle of the interstate. Pull up to the exit. Driver, just stop. Stop your car. Good evening. My name is Officer Wilson with the Police Department. Is everything okay? Okay, what's going on with your driving? No, you didn't. Try again. I've been behind you since Howard.
If you go to the back of my car, you can see the whole, what is it called?
You have your license with you?
Yes, of course.
You need to find out your telephone?
What?
All right, hang off on
it'll
doing
take 2 seconds.
That's all right. Hang off on doing that. Step out of your car and come back here.
Sir, please, just wait.
Come on over here for me, please. Okay. All right.
This is probably Miami.
Okay. Do you see a doctor for any known medical conditions or anything like that?
I just got in a fender bender 2 weeks ago, and that's why
Answer the question.
I was referring to you personally. Do you see a doctor for any known medical conditions? All right. Are you a diabetic?
My father is.
Okay. Are you?
Currently
Okay. What do you do for a living?
real estate.
I'm so sorry?
Real estate.
Real estate? Okay. The reason I'm asking you these questions, I can smell the odor of an alcoholic beverage on your breath. How many alcoholic beverages have you had tonight?
One. I was
Had
with,
one?
yes.
Okay. Why are we traveling 122 miles an hour on this?
Honestly, she just called me and she said, come back for me. And I said, what are you talking about? And I had to make a exit. And I
You
said,
realize you almost rolled your vehicle back there?
no, that's the thing. I didn't know because I, one, never had a Ranger.
All right. For our safety, let's step over here. That way this is in between us and the cars. I'll help you over.
Oh, shit.
Okay. So what I'm going to ask you to do is face me, please. Can you see the tip of this pen? And what color is the tip of that pen?
Red, orange.
Red, orange? All right, that's my finger. So follow the tip of this pen with your eyes and only your eyes. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
I'm from California. Like, I don't do this rain and
Okay.
humidity. Like,
So here's the deal.
I'm not used to this weather. Like, I just got back from California a day ago.
All right, yeah, I understand that. But understand this is a very important process of this investigation. That's why just take a few minutes, just look, don't do anything else, just follow with your eyes, okay? All right. Based on everything that's going on, I'd like to ask if you'd be willing to take some additional field sobriety exercises. Those exercises, I'm sorry?
I don't go with alcohol. I literally was with my dog walker tonight, so I will do whatever you need
Okay,
me to do.
so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a little piece out of the trunk of my car, hang out with these officers just for a second, okay? All right, come on over right here to my line, please, facing me. So when I ask you to begin, let's get a couple of these rocks out of here just to make sure.
So 11 steps instead of 9.
Okay.
Because you just got
Nope, 9 steps. So what I'm going to ask you to do,
2 rocks away. That was
Okay.
nice, though.
like I said, so what I'm going to ask you to do,
It's really nice that you're trying to like set me up for like failure. But so 9 went to 11 because you just kicked 2 rocks away. So let's go. So you
Okay.
want me to step 9 steps or 11?
like I said, I'm going to ask you to take 9 steps down this line, turn around like I'm going to show you, and take 9 steps back.
9 or 11?
So on and so
9 or
forth,
11.
so on and so forth, until you reach your 9th step. Hands rest naturally down by your pockets, not in your pockets or anything, just naturally
I'm a cheerleader.
by, listen,
I played volleyball in college.
but by your side, like this, okay? Do you have any questions?
Yes.
What's your question?
What was your name?
Wilson,
Wilson. And what was your badge number?
137.
Florida?
Do you have any questions? Yes, you're in Florida.
Yes, I know. I'm in Florida.
Okay, well, you said Florida.
I just.
So, do you have any questions about the exercise?
I just asked you a question.
And I answered both of
And
them.
you just said, yes, you're in Florida. Very
Yes.
aggressive.
Okay. Do you have a question about the exercise?
Your name and your badge number.
Do you have a question about the exercise? Okay. Once you begin.
I knew this was Florida. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I know she talking about whatchamacallit, California or something like that or whatever, but her body it fits Florida. Like the whole veneers, blown out balloon lips, the fake tits, like it just screams Florida. Like listen, if you ever been to Miami, you know what I'm talking about, okay? You know what I'm talking about. But this fits the bill. That's why I'm like, oh, this gotta be. I'm thinking this is Miami, but you know, Florida, whatever. You know, I'm like, oh, this gotta be Miami, man. It's like automatic off rip. But anyway, she's gonna fail. And she keeps over talking the officer to even listen to the instructions. Like, this is gonna be a train wreck.
Exercise, you cannot stop the exercise until you've completed the exercise. All right, and once you begin, I cannot answer any questions. So again, do you have any questions?
Wilson, 137, Florida.
Yes. Do you have any questions?
How long have you been in the force?
That's got nothing to do with this, ma'am.
Just ask me. You just
Okay.
asked me if
Do you
I
have any
had
questions about the exercise? Do you have any? I don't want you to get confused here.
I'm not.
Do you have any questions about the exercise?
So my questions are based on the exercise, or my questions are like,
Do you need to see the exercise again?
no.
Okay.
Are my questions based on the exercise, or am I allowed to ask you any questions? Is what I'm
So,
asking. I just
I'm
asked
going to
you
ask
how
you
long
if you
were
have
with the
any
Tampa PD.
questions about the exercise so that you can perform the exercise. Okay? Are there any questions?
I hope they record that. Because you didn't
Would you like to perform the exercise?
Yeah, but you
Okay.
just asked me if
So
I had
if
any questions.
we are,
But
let's go ahead.
You just asked me if I had any questions.
So-
and you denied them.
So
I
here-
just asked
so-
you how many
So here,
years
hang
have
on,
you...
time out. That has nothing to do with this.
You just asked me if I had
We're
any
on the
questions.
side of the interstate.
You just asked me if I had
So
any
you can
questions.
argue with me
I'm not
about
arguing
this.
with you. You
Yes,
just
you
asked
are.
me if I had
You're
any
telling me
questions.
that you want to perform the exercise.
I will perform
but
the exercise,
you're-
but you just asked me if I had questions.
Stop.
Whoa, this is wrong.
So would you like to perform the exercise?
I will perform it,
Okay.
but
Do you have any questions about the exercise?
Am I allowed to ask you a question, or are you going to
About
like
the
turn it
exercise?
around?
Yes.
About the exercise. Now
What is your
you just got
question?
Very okay.
What is your
So
question
what
about the
is your
exercise?
name and your badge number? And
I'm
how
going to
long
give
have
you an
been
opportunity to perform the exercise. But I'm
But
not going to
wait.
sit here with 3 officers and yourself on the side of the road while you dance circles around this.
I'm not
So if you would like to perform the exercise, and if you don't have any questions,
I just
let's
had a
assume the
question. I just
position
asked you a question that
that
you're
I
not
asked you to
answering.
remain in.
I
Okay.
just asked you.
All right, you're under arrest. Turn around. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing
When you twist and turn,
I'm not
it ain't gonna
doing
work.
anything.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything. I swear to God. Sir, I literally asked you like multiple times. I was like, why are you asking me? I asked you.
My job in this department and how long has nothing to do with you performing the exercise. Relax your hands, please.
It wasn't about the exercise. You asked me.
All right, this officer is going to search you. Do you have anything on your persons that we need to know about?
Nothing at all.
There we go. Let's put your shoes over here. Put your shoes on for me. It's going to go with you. It's going with you. Put your shoes on for me.
That's not the first.
Okay.
Those were the fakest tears I done heard. Come on, man. She cried for about 20 seconds. Fake cried for 20 seconds. Once she got her way or figured out that her stuff was going with her, now all of a sudden she ain't crying no more. I felt like I was getting dumber watching this interaction. I'm not gonna lie. As the seconds were going by, I feel like, damn, my brain cells are like being occupied for this right now. And I'm like, damn, why she keep talking?
turn around, put your rear end on the, put your rear end right here.
Swing your right leg over the,
Come on.
the wall.
All right, go ahead and lean back in, Jimmy.
No, swing your right.
There you go.
Wait, why are you pulling me?
Because I don't want you to fall forward. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay. Come on over. All right, well, just listen to what we're saying.
I am listening.
You're going to have a seat in my car, okay?
I've been listening this entire time.
All right, have a seat for me.
Should I put my feet in or no? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Put your butt in. All right, put your feet in.
I'm scared to move.
Okay. Goodness.
I can't breathe. I have anxiety.
All right, I'll roll the windows down.
Oh, she can't breathe, huh?
No, she straightened it out, buddy, but she was close.
Yeah.
She literally, if you lose it at 30 degrees, she was 29.8. I have your cell phone, I have credit cards and some gift cards. Do you have anything else in that car that you absolutely need? The contents of your wallet are in here. The wallet itself is going to stay in there. Okay. Step out of the car for me, please. Can you stand right here on my light for me, please?
Sure, get down like that. God damn. Oh, boy.
Oops, sorry, I caught your hair. Flip the other way. All right, is that good for you? Okay, so your question, so here's the deal. It's a breath test, okay? Come on, walk with me. Actually, before I do this, do you have anything on your, well, hear me out. Let me finish asking the question, okay? Do you have anything on your persons that the officer missed? Tylenol, aspirin, anything like that? Because anything that goes in there is a felony. So I ask everybody all the time. All right, come on over. All right, if you provide a breath sample and your breath sample is above a 0.08, you're following me. If you provide a breath sample and your breath sample is above a 0.08, your license will be suspended for 6 months. If you refuse to provide a breath or urine sample, your license will be suspended for 1 year. Your right to an attorney has no relevance at this moment. So the ladies are going to ask inside if you...
She was charged with driving under the influence, but stay tuned for her second video about her second arrest, where she was charged with aggravated battery.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Time out. That was at the end. Is that her second arrest?
Under the
video?
Influence.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Karma hits. Does this look like the same girl? Oh, this look like the same girl. Hold on. Damn, 19 minutes though. Let me see. Should we watch it? Fuck it.
Can you hear me?
Wait, if this is the same girl, hold on. I gotta click through. Let me see. I just want to see if this is the same girl or not.
Nobody, nothing.
Damn, this ain't even clear. Oh wait, I think this is her. All right, let's get into it. Fuck it.
Can you hear me?
This woman called 911 about her missing sister, but when officers arrived, she became hostile.
We are not screaming.
All right, so I tried to find the other video and I couldn't find it on their page, and I actually looked in the comment section of that video, and apparently they haven't put it up or linked it or whatever, and this video is from 10 months ago, so whatever. But so yeah, we're just gonna skip all of that because there is no second video. But anyways, yeah, so I give the officers, man, I give the officers 4 out of 5, man. They did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.